Let's look at some easy energy medicine healing tips. Going to begin, take your thumbs, put them right between the eyebrows. And here you're connecting to the bladder meridian and the nervous system. So we just want to calm everything down as we look at the week ahead. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Now bring the heel of the hands together. We're going to wrap around the throat. And here we're simply helping to calm the vagus nerve, our rest and restore buddy. Taking a couple of deep breaths and just letting go. We're going to go back and use the figure 8 over the eyes. We're going to trace that infinity sign over the eyes. Easy and effective. And we're also going to take that figure 8. It's Breast Care Awareness Month, and we're going to do that over the breast area. Nice, large figure 8. So remembering that that figure 8 represents infinite energy. It is not bound by time and space. So it has tremendous potential to help us in our healing process. Wherever we need it, little figure 8s or big figure 8s. Do them every day. And they also help us to bring the right and left side of the brain together, bringing us into balance. So let's connect the head and the heart. And again, take a deep breath in and just let go. Now, let's really take down that fire and let everything be in, as we think about it, the blue zone, calm and collected. Bring the palms together at the top of the crown. We're here with the crown center. Taking a breath, bringing the thumbs again right between the eyebrows, focusing on bladder meridian, the nervous system, and that 6th energy center, also known as the third eye, which supports our intuition, clairvoyance, clairaudience. Bring the thumbs right between the breast area for that heart energy center. Breathing in and expanding the heart. Taking the thumbs, touching right into the navel. And now let the palms rest on the entire pelvic girdle so that we can ground all of our energy into the earth. Breathing in, letting go, grounding. So we are connected now to the divine at the crown, Mother Earth at the root, and all of the centers in between. Just blessing them and thanking them for all that they do to support us day in and day out. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelmed Warrior. And if there's any way that I can help you in your journey, reach out for a free 20-minute chat. We have a great tuning fork lecture coming up this Tuesday evening at our Infinite Possibilities Center in Marlton. Come join us 6:30 to 8. Ron Salameo is the king of tuning forks. Hope to see you there. Provide the link below. Enjoy the rest of today and this week ahead. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.